So when we moved here, that's 2 years ago, we left the area and the garden was so big. So we just thought of, oh, why can't we have something like a conservatory? So what we did, me and my husband, we went through online and we come across Conservatory Land and a few other providers of conservatories. And for Conservatory Land, really for us to go to them, it was because of the reviews. They had nice reviews about their professionalism, the type and quality of their conservatories. So that's why we went to Conservatory Land. We love it, especially in summer. So we put our dining table in there. So that's where we have our meals in summer. And I work from home. Sometimes I sit in there if the weather is good. Yeah. They have their own approved installers. We get it built by the professionals. They were very professional. And the good thing is, like, we were involved in not involved like in the manual thing, but they would call us and tell us the stages and ask us if we are happy with whatever they are doing. So that was really good. We have recommended Conservatory Land, and because I have a few friends and family who have come to see it and they love it.